I'm going to do that 1970s classic chicken Kiev. I love it when you cut into that chicken and that garlic butter just oozes out. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to roast the whole garlic bulb. And what this does, it creates an almost like thick, creamy butter sauce when you cut into that chicken. Less harsh and more sweet. Check it out. For the garlic butter, season, followed by a drizzle of olive oil. Wrap in foil. Now place in the oven and cook until soft. Chop parsley, add to the butter. When the bulb is cooked, cut in half and squeeze. By cooking the whole bulb, this creates an almost like creamy garlic butter sauce when you cut into the chicken. Mix well, add lemon zest, mix again, and put to one side. Next, add plastic wrap to the board, trim, add the tenderloin from the chicken, fold. Now flatten using a small pan. Butterfly the chicken. Add some of the butter in the middle. Close. Add the tenderloin to seal. Now place in the fridge for 1 hour. For the Rutabaga Chilli Mash, top and tail. Peel. Slice into rounds and dice. Add a good pinch of salt to boiling water, add the rutabaga and cook until soft. Slice green onion. Here I'm using dried red chilli. Take out the seeds, slice and add to the onion. When cooked, drain and add back to the pan. Add butter and mash. Add green onions and chilli. Season to taste, stir and keep warm. After 1 hour, add chicken to flour. Shake off the excess, egg and breadcrumbs. Add the chicken to the egg and breadcrumbs one more time. Now add to vegetable oil and cook until golden brown. When brown, finish off in the oven. When cooked, leave on a rack to rest. So there you have it, that's my creamy chicken Kiev. I've already tucked into one.